Hey everybody, it's Jesse from Engineer Motorsports Solutions, and today I want to talk to you about our new engine test stand. So here at EMS, we've implemented a new level of quality to our engines before they go out the door. We thought it was crucial for us to implement this engine test stand into our engine program. That way we could be sure that the engines that were going out the door have been quality checked. We know that the compression's good. We know there's no oil leaks. We've already done a couple warm-up sessions to make sure they're in time and that nothing sounds funny. And then we get to drain the oil, make sure the oil looks good, cut the filter open, check the filter, and then your engine's already had a couple of heat cycles on it too before it gets to you. And this all kind of came about when we were at PRI. Me and Max from RST Speedhouse were walking down an aisle and we saw a small block Chevy sitting on an engine test stand, and Max went over and snapped a picture of it and sent it to me because he knew I'd kind of been thinking about doing this. Well, we looked it up, found all the parts, hired our friends at Haltech in Kentucky. They hooked us up with a Nexus R3. We use our port injection kit and some other OEM parts we got laying around, and every engine that goes out the door now will be test fired on our engine test stand. So that just makes sure that before the engine comes to you that we know it's right. We've never had problems in the past per se with that, but moving forward we're only going to offer completely sealed engines. No more long blocks per se. Now you'll get a completely sealed engine, oil pan, pickup tube, valve cover, rear main seal, ready for you to just drop straight into your car. We were just ready to step up our game to make sure that our engine program met or exceeded everyone's expectations. For the money they were spending, they were going to receive a quality product with no worries. And as part of this quality product with no worries, we're going to start implementing a warranty on all of our long block purchases. We'll warranty the craftsmanship and the workmanship of the entire engine. The plan is that any EcoBoost engine, 2 liter, 2.3 liter, any Mazda MZR engine, they get tested on this stand before they go out the door to use. That way we know there's no issues and we can guarantee you a quality product. We also plan to integrate in the ability to test fire the 3 liters, the 3.5 liters, and maybe even the 2.7 liter engines that we're building. We just have to get another wiring harness and make it a little like a V6 version of it and get it shot on here. But that's kind of the beauty of the Haltech products. It's very versatile, very easy to use, and easy to reconfigure for different engine types. If your engine comes to you and it has an oil leak or it has a problem and it's been installed, we've got you. We're going to cover the labor to pull that engine out and send it back to us and make sure it's right, because we should have caught it before it got to you. We're still working out the fine details of it, but I promise you it's going to be an industry-leading warranty for performance engines. So hop on over to www.emsinc-tn.com and check out all of our new engine packages that are available. The budget build, and the badass builds, and then the sleeve badass builds.